Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, my name is Gurleen from GLAMBYGILLY, and in today's video I wanted to show you guys how I did my complexion. So I shared some products that I've been liking that have been working for me. If you guys want to see how I did my eye makeup, it's actually onto my Instagram, so head over to GLAMBYGILLY and you guys can see the full step-by-step. My jewelry is actually from Royalty Jewelry. They're on Instagram as well, so check them out. But if you guys want to see how I did my complexion today, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. So I already applied my moisturizer. It was a Cosmetics Confidence and Cream moisturizer. I put it all on my face. It's very hydrating. I love it. So let's go in with an oil now. So I'm going to use the 4th Ray Beauty Strawberry Seed Oil. And what I like doing is applying a couple drops. So I am dry, and if I am using a matte foundation, let's say, I want to be as hydrated as possible. So just rub it all in. And there you go. And for my eye cream, I actually applied the Pharmacy Cheer Up eye cream. It has like vitamin C and so many other great ingredients in it. If you guys want to see my eye makeup, I actually have a tutorial on my Instagram, so head over there. I used the Huda Beauty Pastel Lilac Palette and the Metal and Matte shadows. So easy to use, I definitely love it. After that settles in, I'm going to use a Vitamin Glow Primer by Smashbox Canada. It has vitamin B, C, and E in it. I love how it feels on my skin, and guys, I know some people don't like using primers, but I'm telling you, it makes a world of a difference. So I just apply it to my fingertips and then apply it to the areas that I feel like I crease more and stuff. I feel like it really helps keep your makeup on and dewy. That's what I like. Like, look how great my skin looks already. I also want to hydrate my lips, so I'm gonna go in with the Milani Cosmetics Green Goddess Transformation Lip Balm. It is made with canvas oil, which I see a lot of products and companies are doing now, and it's so hydrating. So I just want to do all my prep before I get into my base. Next, I'm going to go in with my color corrector. It is a Vasanti VO2 color corrector. You guys know, if you've been following me, this is my die-hard corrector. I absolutely love it, and the trick is I like applying it in a V under my eyes, and then I just like letting it sit there for a little bit, like maybe like a minute, because I feel like it gives you more of a coverage. So if you want a lighter coverage, you don't need to let it sit there. I also am gonna apply it around my mouth area. So I didn't realize, so that was my first time using a lip balm, and I see that I made my lips pink. But I thought it was clear, so that's strange. So I guess it's supposed to change colors? I did not know that. Should have applied it a little more cleaner, but whatever. So I'm gonna let this sit for like a minute or so. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna blend it out, and I actually like using a brush to blend it because I feel like it gives you more of a coverage. If you want it a little more blended, I would use a beauty blender. What I always do before starting my entire makeup, I'll like wet my beauty blender and clean it, and then I just let it dampen and like dry out a little bit before I actually get to my base, because you don't want it too wet and you don't want it too dry. I'm just blending out all the areas. Okay guys, another thing I just did is I applied the North Star highlighter by Vasanti, and I applied it to the high points of my face. So anywhere I'm going to highlight, I just applied this underneath. Honestly guys, you have to give it a try. It makes a world of a difference. For foundation today, I'll be using the Lancome Cosmetics Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation in the shade 420 Bis N. This foundation is so hard for me to pronounce. So I'm just going to take about 2 pumps. I do like my foundation a little on the warmer side. I am using the Flat Kabuki brush by Sigma Beauty. It's the F80 Air. I'm just going to literally buff it into my face. So I always like going in with a brush first on myself. And then I'll go in with my beauty blender just to blend it out. And my jewelry is actually from Royalty Jewelry. You can see them on Instagram. I'll tag and caption everything in my caption below so you guys can click all the links, see all the products that I'm using. And also guys, I'm filming in my new makeup room, which I'm so excited about. It was kind of sad because my grandmother is bedridden now and we didn't really use her room, so I packed up her stuff very nicely, kept some of her stuff in my closet, and then I turned her room into my makeup room because I was filming in the basement before, well I used to, and it's so dark there and like it's very hard for me to like film because it's black walls, and now I feel like there's so much natural light. So I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Golden Beige. And I just like applying. I like my concealer lighter because I like highlighting and concealing basically in the same step. If I can be quick with makeup, that is always my plan. So I apply it on all the areas that I want concealed and highlighted. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and blend this out. I'm not gonna do cream contour today either. I have done a couple looks with cream contour. It's on my YouTube and on my Instagram, guys, so check those out. Let me know what looks you guys want to see too and what videos. I wish I did like recorded the before of my room, of this room beforehand, because like the transformation is insane. And it's kind of sad because like it's quarantine and you can't really go in store, and there's so many things that like I've seen at Home Sense and Winners before that I was like, oh, when I eventually make this room I'll love to purchase, but I never did. But it's okay. When things clear up I will purchase them. Okay guys, so I love going in with this powder right underneath my eyes. So guys, the best way to prevent more creasing under your eyes is applying like a finishing powder. I love the Charlotte Tilbury. The MAC finishing powder is great. Urban Decay has one that's great. Even Maybelline has one. But that is a step that I definitely think is necessary. Contour, I'll be using the Vasanti Cosmetics Eclipse Contour Bronzer. Contour powder, sorry. So I like powder contour better than cream because I feel like cream you want to blend up very well. And this is just easier for me, so I'm applying it on my cheek. So I go from the top of my ear down to the middle of my cheek. I want the most product at the top. I even contour my nose, guys, with powder. So I just apply a little bit on my forehead, a little below. I am going to apply setting powder, but before I do that, I just want to finish contouring because I don't like baking for too long. If you guys are like me and you do crease quick, I don't recommend it just because I feel like you're just more drying your under eyes out even more, which I don't like. So I'm just applying and contouring my nose. To bake my under eyes, I'll be using my favorite baking powder. It's the Huda Beauty Easy Bake in Pound Cake. So I am so you can go in with the brush or you can go in with the beauty blender. I just hate putting powder and liquids on the same blender. Just gonna go in and take it high up so it helps carve out my nose, put it underneath my eyes. And I don't really need too much. You want to go in with like light layers of product so your eyes don't crease too much if you do crease. There you go. So at this step, I would go ahead and finish up my eyes. So that is what I'm going to do now, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I finished off my eyes. I just applied the color underneath and the mascara. And I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Naked Threesome and just apply the bronzer. So I like contouring and bronzing my face. Just feel like bronzer is a little more shimmery, brings more color to your face, puts everything together. Apply it at the bottom, a little underneath my nose. There you go. And I loved how like I still look dewy because of the highlight that I put on beforehand. I'm gonna go and spray my face with the NYX Cosmetics Radiant Finish Setting Spray. You guys, if you know me, you know I love hydration. I feel like this will settle in, and now we can apply our highlight. So I'm gonna go in with the North Star highlight, and we'll apply it to the high points and then our blush, and then we're done. So let's highlight. I'm gonna highlight my cheekbone. So I always start the highlighter here and then blend it. I apply it underneath my brow, on my nose, use my finger, the ridge of my nose, the lips. And there you go, and I will do some blush. For blush, I'll be using the Kaja Beauty Mochi Blush in Aura. It's number 1. And I want it like more of a lighter blush. High points, so I always smile, apply it to the apples, and then I blend in the highlight and contour. And on my nose, I like applying a little color on my nose, on my chin, just so everything puts and looks put together. I'm just gonna quickly do my lips and I'm done. Okay guys, I went ahead, finished my lips, set my tikka, and this is the finished look. I love how dewy and fresh my complexion looks. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you guys want to see next. I'll film a video on how to pin a tikka because a lot of people actually asked me. So maybe that will be my next YouTube video, but let me know what you guys want to see next. And I hope everyone's staying healthy and safe at home. And thank you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.